For a global beverage manufacturer, close collaboration with dozens of independent bottlers is key to keeping production efficient, meeting sustainability goals, and ensuring reliable supply across markets. But bottler data was scattered across different systems in different formats with varying levels of quality. Performance tracking largely depended on a third-party vendor platform that offered only partial visibility and limited control. This led to inconsistent KPIs, fragmented datasets, and no unified reporting structure for the manufacturer to benchmark bottler performance or identify operational gaps in time. All of this resulted in slow decision-making and low efficiency across production plants. They needed a secure, centralized environment where bottlers could share data privately and partners could get a single, trusted view of operations. Sigmoid designed a custom data clean room within the client's Azure Databricks environment, giving them complete ownership of data and governance. With privacy by design, bottlers accessed only their own data while viewing anonymized network-level insights. Power BI dashboards delivered real-time visibility with secure role-based access. The clean room supported bottlers running different reporting systems and maturity with a scalable, unified foundation for performance analysis. The results were significant. 4 times faster reporting through automation. 30% improvement in operational efficiency with deeper insight into performance trends. Near zero insights delay due to real-time dashboards. By enabling secure data collaboration, the manufacturer moved from fragmented visibility to real-time intelligence, which powered continuous improvement, innovation, and growth across its bottler network. Discover how Sigmoid's data clean room improves visibility, unlocks trust, and elevates efficiency at scale. Contact us at www.sigmoid.com or marketing@sigmoid.com to know more.